How do I change the color of an object within my scene? Many times you'll experience this if you go out on a shoot somewhere. You'll notice that continuity is very important, and you'll have something like someone's wearing a blue shirt and all of a sudden in the next scene it's green. You need to change it back. Well, I'm going to show you guys how to do that real quick. So I'm going to grab my image that I have, drop it into my scene, and you'll notice that I have a red shirt. Star Trek, red shirts always mean death, so let's change it to something else. Go over here to my colors, or excuse me, my effects. I'm going to look for change color. There it is. And I'll just drop it right onto my image. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my color picker to change this red to, well, something else. So I'll just go ahead and scroll through it. And you know what? Let's give him a blue. There we go. Now you'll notice we still have a kind of a dark reddish line around the edge. So we're going to have to go around to the matching softness, fix that, and boom, there you go. The guy will no longer die when he goes down to the planet. So that's how you change color of an object within your scene.